you know in 1984, a visionary named Chuck Hull invented the world's first 3D printer? This groundbreaking device, known as the LA1, utilized a process called stereolithography, where layers of liquid photopolymer are cured by a UV laser to form solid objects. Hull's invention revolutionized manufacturing, enabling rapid prototyping and complex design creation with unprecedented precision. Over the years, 3D printing technology has evolved dramatically, finding applications in various fields, including medicine, aerospace, and consumer goods. Thanks to Hull's pioneering work, 3D printing continues to transform industries and inspire innovation worldwide.